Hello and welcome to the next video. In this one, we'll be going over the next tool, SEO Editor. And this tool is meant to help you when you're creating a blog post or an article and you want to know, or you want to have a specific keyword you want to target. So when you open it, it'll pop up this pop-up button that'll help you to like optimize the article. So let's go. Here you will pick one or more one main keyword, and then you can add some related keywords as well. So for example, like WordPress themes and WordPress plugins, blog, etc. And this way you can pick a few keywords for your article. So you know that when you are writing it, you can see what score would your article get for that keyword. Like I do a bit of cheating, and I copy some of the article we used in SEO Checker, SEO Checker. I copied some of that from some text from that article. So let me just paste it here. Just to show you how it works. And you can see that immediately there's some score. You can see some statistics like the ease of reading, the number of words in the article, and the amount of time that would probably take to read the whole thing. Not sure about the potential traffic though. Yeah. Then you can see I don't have any title or any headings in the text since I just pasted there without any formatting. But if you would be writing it in here, you would probably see your score a bit better than that. Okay. Content, you can see that there's a number of words, number of external links, and some other stuff. You can also see that there is keyword stuffing, that there is a MailChimp too many times, so that Google might think that you are using it too much for in an attempt to rank higher. So this is like a really useful. Like when I was writing articles, I never had quite the idea like how to write them to make them really good ranking. And I think if you use this to it'll actually give you tips and tell you what to do better or what to change and etc. The next thing up here is you can either be here at SEO or go to words, and here you can see the frequency of the main keyword and secondary keywords. Yes, you can see it's not really well here, and you can also see the words in the text. So like the different keywords that you are using, different other keywords that you are using in the text. The other thing is you can tap here to edit snippet, which is what basically the preview of what will be on the search page. You can also open the open graph, which is what will be what it will look like if somebody would share the article on Facebook or some other social media, and also a Twitter card that will show you how it looks, how would it look on Twitter. Okay, that's it for snippets. Let's go back to editor, and you can also search for tips while are you editing, so you can find, and both for keywords and images, that'll help you to write better articles. Okay, if you tap on the file, you can export it on the Word document, or you can create new articles, or you can open the wizard, which allows you to modify the optimization as we did in the beginning. So I optimized it the first time for WordPress. So if I would go ahead again and change it to MailChimp, yeah, you can see that right now it's MailChimp, and you can see that the score should be better. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it's a little bit better, not too much, but yeah, As you can see, it's here. Okay, then you have the edit, so you can again modify the optimization, which is just what we did, or you can jump to snippets or back to article. Yeah, then you can decide what you want to be shown or not. Okay, here you also have the title of the article. And once you are done, you can just export it and use it in your website. Yeah, that should be a lot of help if you are writing articles. That should rank really well on Google search page. And feel free to use it and play around to find the combination that would work the best for you. Okay, that's it for this tool, and the next one will be the last one, the copy metrics, which basically helps you analyze the text you will paste there. So for example, if you would want to find out what the article posted by your competitor is, or your old article, how are they doing, you can just paste the text there and analyze it. So look for that in the next video. See you soon.